Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on Simpson's 3 by 8 rule uh, from numerical integration. To explain that rule, it is used to evaluate integration from x0 to xn of y with respect to x. We have to divide that interval x0 to xn into subintervals of equal length of multiples of 3 means that we have to divide into multiples of 3 like 3, 6, 9, etc. For example, we have tabulated values for that function y equal to x. Values of x are x0, x1, x2, x3 up to xn. The last but one value is xn minus 1, and the corresponding values of y are y0, yn, y1, y2, y3, yn minus 1, and last one is yn. And after having this type of values or tabulated value, integration of y with respect to x between limit x0 to xn by that Simpson 3 by 8 rule, it is 3h divided by 8, where h is the difference between two successive values of x obtained by xn minus x0 divided by number of, therefore here h is given by or obtained by xn minus x0 divided by number of strips multiplied by first and last value, sum of that two values, y0 plus yn. Then 3 times we neglect the values with suffix of multiples of 3, means we have to neglect y3, y6, y9, etc. And then remaining values, sum of that, first one is y1 plus y2, that we neglect y3. Next y4, y5, we neglect y6, so on. We continue this, we get the last value as yn minus 1 plus 2 times the remaining values. That remaining values are y3, y6 and so on. The last one is yn minus 3. Whatever this formula I have written, it is the formula of Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Known as Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Before to discuss the example, if you are not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it to receive the notification for my new videos. For that you have to press the bell icon. Let us solve the example. Evaluate integration of log x between limit 1 to 7 with respect to x by Simpson's 3 by 8 rule by taking 6 equal subintervals. Here the value of n is a multiple of 3. And therefore, as it is multiple of 3, we can apply that Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. First step, we have to find the value of h as b minus a divided by number of strips. The upper limit b is here 7, lower limit 1 divided by number of strips 6. Therefore, we get 6 by 6, the value as 1. And with the help of this h, we make a table. Here, the values of x with a difference of 1. We start with lower limit 1, then 1 plus 1 we get 2, then next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then corresponding values with the help of calculator. Here function is log x, natural log, obtaining the natural log for 1, log 1, all of we know that it is 0, standard value. Then with the help of calculator we find log of 2 as 0.693, log 3 as 1.099, log 4 as 1.386. Always confirm your answer by performing yourself. Don't write as it is from the board. Then log 5 1.609, log 6 1.792, log 7 1.946. These are the values of x and corresponding y. And then applying that Simpson 3-byte rule. Applying Simpson's 3-byte rule. First of all, I will write down the formula. For that, we have to write down the values above and below. The first value is of x0, next x1, next x2, next x3, x4, x5 and x6. These are the values of x, and then corresponding values are y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. Then applying that formula, it is integration of that term log x between limit 1 to 7 is 3h by x. First of all, I will write the formula and then we substitute the values with the help of that table. It is y0 plus y6, first and last values, sum of that two. It is y0 plus y6 plus 3 times y1 plus y2. Then we neglect that y3. Then we take y4 and y5. Plus 2 times remaining value. That remaining value or neglected value is y3. Therefore, we write down it is 2 times y3. Therefore, whatever the formula I have written, it is the formula for Simpson 3-byte rule. The next step is we have to substitute the values with the help of the table. Therefore, it is the value of h is 1. Therefore, it is 3 into 1, that is 3 divided by 8. Multiplied by y0 plus y6. The value of y0 is 0 with the help of table. Plus y6. The value of y6 is 1.946. 1.946 plus 3 times y1 plus y2. The value of y1 is 0.693. y2 1.099. y5 and y5, y4 and y5, y4 is 1.609, 1.609, y5 is 1.792, 1.792 plus 2 times y3, the remaining term y3, that value is 1.386, 1.386. After substituting the values, next step we have to simplify it further. For that we take the help of calculator. It is in simplified form 3/8 as it is. 0 plus 1.946, that value is 1.946. 3 into this sum, that value is coming as 15.579, and 2 into 1.386, that value is 2.772. Then add all this and it is 3/8 as it is. We keep sum of all this 3 term 1, 2, 3. That value is 20.297. Then multiplying it by 3/8 with the help of calculator, we get the value as 7.611 as a final value. We call this the answer of the value of that integral of log x with respect to x between limits 1 to 7 by applying Simpson 3/8 rule. Compared with the exact value, therefore to obtain that exact value, we have to integrate this log x with respect to x between limit 1 to 7, uh, integration of log x is not a standard result. Therefore, we rewrite that as log x into 1, and then with respect to x between 1 to 7. Therefore, I have written it in the form of product of two terms. First one is log type, second one is algebraic type. And therefore, we apply integration by parts. The first term is log x, therefore it is log x. Integration of second, integration of dx is x minus integration derivative of first is 1 by x into integration of second, it is x, and then its integration, and then limits from 0 to 1, 1 to 7. Then it is x log x as it is, no change, minus x cancel, integration of dx is x, and limits from 1 to 7. I can simplify it further by taking x common. Therefore, the remaining terms are log x minus 1 and limit from 1 to 7. Subtracting the upper and lower limit, therefore this one is x is 7, log 7 minus 1 for upper limit, minus lower limit, x is 1, log 1 minus 1. By calculator, if we perform this value with the help of calculator, it is log 7 minus 1 multiplied by 7, it is coming as 6.621 minus log 1 is 0, minus it becomes plus, therefore plus 1, and therefore we get the value as 7.621 as the exact value obtained by applying integration by parts. And then compare that with approximate value. .611 and this is 7.621. Difference of it is 0.011. A very small difference. Therefore, whatever the value obtained by Simpson 3 by 8 rule is the correct one. It is nearly equals to that exact value. One more example I will discuss in my next video. If you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel to receive notification for my new videos. For that, you have to press the bell icon. Thank you.